Does that hurt all when I do that?
No.
Good.
Oh, God, you motherfucker!
Let your shoulders relax. Good. Drop your head down in here. A little bit more.
Oh!
It's okay, you can square. More. You're gonna drop your head down into here. Yeah, that's good. All we're doing is just finding the right tension. Exhale. And try to relax your chest and your stomach. Interlock your fingers a little bit. That's it.
Whoa.
Yeah. Wow. Let this muscle go. Out through your mouth. Push all the air. Let it relax more. Relax your chin a little bit. Open up your mouth a little bit.
Oh my gosh.
Good. Deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Let your shoulders drop. That's better.
Oh, what the world is this, bro? It's like you just pulled my whole body. What the world?
Your mouth, stomach. That's better.
Oh. Wow. I feel different.
You feel different?
Yeah.